Hi everyone, and welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today we have our friend Maivy. Maivy, can you say hi?
Hi.
Today we are going to do paint resist, and with the toddlers I like to use just watercolor paper, painter's tape, and just finger paints. And so they can apply the tape if they like. Most of the time I just go ahead and apply it for them, and then they paint all over the paper. And it doesn't matter if they get the paint on the tape, the tape's going to come off, and it makes a really cool design. So Maivy's going to start that for us. There you go. Yeah, just paint all over it, real big. You can scoop all that paint up and just smear it all over it. I know, you're doing such a great job. And keep on. Do you want me to help you?
Look at the color.
Oh, I see them. Oh, yes. So now what we'll do is we'll let it dry for a little bit, and then we take the tape off. All right, good job. All right, thanks for watching Toddler Tuesday. We will see you guys next week. Can you tell everybody bye? Tell your friends bye.
Hi.
Bye. Check out the link below.